Welcome back, students. Myself Raghuvan sir proceeds to chapter 1 of geography. In this fourth part, we will try to understand why the time difference between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat is 2 hours. Let's observe the map of India once again. The angular distance between the two extreme longitudes, I mean between 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east, the difference between the two extreme longitudes is equal to 97 degree 25 minutes east minus 68 degree 7 minutes east is equal to 29 degree 18 minutes east or 30 degree approx. And we know that 1 degree longitude is equal to 4 minutes or 30 degree is equal to 30 into 4 is equal to 120 minutes or 120 by 60 is equal to 2 hours. Therefore, the longitudinal difference between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat is 30 degree and time difference is 2 hours. Now, you must have understood that the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but the local time of 82.5 degree east longitude is used as the standard time for the whole country. So, it is called the Indian Standard Time or the Standard Meridian of India. Remember, the Indian Standard Time is 82.5 degree east into 4 minutes is equal to 330 minutes or 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of the Greenwich time. Thus, the watches in India show 5:30 p.m. when it is noon in England. Now, to understand it better, take another example. The longitude of Delhi is 77 degree east. It means there shall be a difference of 77 into 4 is equal to 308 minutes or 5 hours 8 minutes between the local time of Greenwich and Delhi. As the earth rotates from west to east, the local time of places to the east of Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time and the local times of places to the west of Greenwich will be behind the Greenwich time. If it is 12 o'clock noon at Greenwich, the timing at Delhi shall be 5 hours and 8 minutes ahead of Greenwich because it lies to the east of Greenwich. So, it shall be 12 plus 5 hours 8 minutes is equal to 17:08 hours or 8 minutes past 5 p.m. Thanks.